Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot using easy touch option in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Now click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on easy touch and turn on the button against easy touch. This is easy touch bar. You can move it anywhere on the screen and also place it anywhere on the screen. Now go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from Google Chrome page. I go to facultyon.com. Here in this search result itself, I would like to take a screenshot. So you have to tap on easy touch here and click on screenshot icon here and screenshot will be taken. Yes, once again I show it. Click on easy touch and click on screenshot icon. So in this way, you can easily take a screenshot using easy touch option in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. To access the screenshot file, go to files in your phone, go to files and click on internal storage, click on DCIM folder, click on internal storage, DCIM, click on screenshots folder and at last you will find the latest screenshot. This is the screenshots that I took using easy touch option in my phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.